I love a clean carpet. That's a challenge because we live on a ranch where we're dragging in all kinds of dirt and grime, and we have ranch dogs. We love these ranch dogs. How can you turn down the face of some of these dogs? You can't, but that imposes a problem on our carpet. I like it to be clean. I like it to be pristine. I like it to smell fresh. So that means we use this carpet cleaner all the time. This is the dirty water reservoir here that we empty out during cleaning. Now, for about 100 square feet, you have to clean it out. So we've got 200 square feet, meaning that every time we clean this area, twice that we take it in there. Not a big deal, not a hassle, it's expected. It has a lot of power. It's easy to store, which is a big deal for us. And it's big enough and powerful enough to get around this room, but it's not so big that it's cumbersome, so it's just the right size. To get started, we just put the water and the soap in the back reservoir. We use the recommended BISSELL, and this one is the Febreze Fresh, so it really does smell good. The front vessel, the front compartment here holds dirty water that collects as you're vacuuming. We dump it out twice each time that we're doing this room. 200 square feet in this room, so about every 100 square feet, you're dumping that out. So now I just got to get to work. So this is the water and soap. Goes in the back very easily. And this is where the dirty water will go. Just sets right on top easily. Really just sets on there, and then what keeps it in place are these green straps on the side. So turning it on is quite easy. We have a foot pedal here. And then the green one releases the handle. Now to wash, there's a trigger on the handle that I will depress. So I'm just going to hit the trigger, which is going to release the water and the soap. So water and the soap releasing. I go forward, trigger still on. I come backward, trigger still on. Then I'm going to release the trigger and go over the same spot again because that's going to suck up the water. This is just so easy and simple. I love it. Even someone like me can do it. Pull it back slowly, and this is where you're going to suck up the water, and the more you suck up, the more efficient, the less drying time there'll be later. Emptying dirty water. Look at all that dirty water. Look at all that dirt came out of our carpet. Doesn't leak. I've heard some people say things about leaking on the reviews, but no, that it really doesn't leak. The only time that you'll see some water, obviously, is when you're emptying the reservoir or taking apart the two tanks that do have water. But you're going to be doing that in the kitchen or the bathroom probably. So if there is a little bit of drippage there, it's easy to clean up. It's a solid carpet cleaner. I'm happy with it, and I highly recommend it.